Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change theme in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using A17 and you want to change your phone's theme, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for themes option. And here you will get different themes. You can easily get anyone from here. As for example, I'm going to select this one from here. Just tap on it. Here you will easily get the interfaces of your phone after the theme. Once you have that, just tap on download. And here just wait for its downloading. Once the download has been completed, you just have to tap on apply. And then it will start applying theme. You just have to wait for it, and after that your theme will be completely changed. So here you can see there's our new theme in our phone. So that's how you can easily change your theme in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.